Hi, everyone. I'm Manisha from the product marketing team here at Aisera. Today, I'm excited to show you how, alongside channels like Slack and Microsoft Teams, you can now bring the Aisera Assistant right into Zoom Team Chat, making it easier for employees to get answers and work done without ever needing to leave their favorite channel. So let's get started. To get started, the IT admin will need to connect to Zoom Team Chat. Within Aisera's AI agent platform, they'll click Channels and are presented with a list of the active channels currently linked to the platform. The IT admin simply clicks Add Channel and is presented with a list of available integrations. Once Zoom is selected, they can now configure the connection. The IT admin enters basic configuration details such as the Zoom account ID, client credentials, and workspace name. Once saved, the connection is authenticated automatically and appears as an active channel. Now let's look at how this comes to life from an employee's perspective. Meet Jordan Alvarez, an employee at Acme. Here, we see Jordan chatting with the Aisera Assistant directly within Zoom. He needs access to Figma Enterprise for the Kixco UI project redesign, so he simply types his request into chat. The Aisera Assistant immediately understands the context and asks a few clarifying questions. From there, Jordan chooses the appropriate access: full, read-only, or developer. Jordan selects full access, and Aisera Assistant takes care of the rest. It automatically creates the license request, summarizes all the key details including the application, access type, and project, and routes it to his manager, Angela Morgan, for approval. Now meet Angela Morgan, the design manager at Acme. As soon as Jordan submits his request, Angela receives an instant notification from Zoom, letting her know that Jordan has requested access to Figma Enterprise. She opens the Aisera Assistant right within Zoom to review the details. The Aisera Assistant presents everything she needs at a glance: the application, access type, justification, and ticket ID, so Angela can make an informed decision without switching screens. The Aisera Assistant immediately processes the approval, logs it in the ticketing system, in this case ServiceNow, and triggers provisioning through Microsoft Intune. The Aisera Assistant then goes one step further, offering to set a license review reminder for 6 months out to help maintain compliance and optimize software usage. Angela confirms, and the reminder is set for April 2026. Moments after Angela's approval, we can see here that Jordan receives a notification. When he opens the notification, the Aisera Assistant confirms the approval and offers to handle the installation automatically through its integration with Microsoft Intune. Jordan simply replies yes, and the Aisera Assistant takes care of everything behind the scenes, verifying device compliance, confirming Microsoft Intune registration, and starting the installation. A few minutes later, Aisera notifies Jordan that Figma Enterprise is fully set up and ready to use, and can connect him directly to his project workspace so he can start designing right away. With Aisera's support for Zoom Team Chat, employees can now complete the full lifecycle of a request, from submission to approval to installation, without ever leaving their workspace. Zoom Team Chat is just one of the many channels Aisera supports as a part of Aisera's omni-channel experience, enabling employees to get help and take action seamlessly within the collaboration channels they use every day. Whether it's Slack, Microsoft Teams, Voice, SMS, WhatsApp, and now Zoom Team Chat, Aisera meets employees where they work, delivering instant, intelligent support anywhere they prefer to work. Thank you for watching this, and for more exciting updates, visit aisera.com.